Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look, and it is not what I had envisioned, but I feel very good with the way that it turned out, and I feel like it still falls in line with the vision that I had. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm feeling a little yellow, and this palette came to mind, the Tropic palette by Natasha Denona. So I'm going to start off by taking Pastel Melon, which is this shade here. Oops, right here. Such a beautiful shade. And I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to start by applying that in the crease and the lid. Before I started filming, I did a little bit of my Fenty powder foundation because I've had my makeup on for quite some time, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't look extra shiny, and I could see that there was like a little patch that I had missed and it was driving me nuts. I'm actually gonna just take whatever's left on this brush and bring it right up under the brow. So guys, I was talking to my sister and my sisters, and I was telling them that this is the year that I'm gonna do microblading. Believe me, I am going to do it. Well, my younger sister found someone, and I think I can get down with her work. I'm gonna take a little bit of Peach Puff, which is this shade here, and using the same brush, I'm going to just lightly apply that in the crease and then just blend. All I'm doing is blending and adding my gradient colors, but I want to make sure that I keep it so that I can wear that yellow, that limoncello. Do you guys ever do your makeup and then find yourselves forgetting what shade you grabbed for? I almost grabbed the wrong color. I'm gonna take Fake Tan, which is this shade here. And I'm going to use the same brush and do what? Add it to the crease. I'm actually adding this slightly higher to blend the two shades, and then I'm bringing that into the inner corner. And for me, I actually have to follow the curvature of my eye, otherwise it ends up looking kind of weird. It looks like I end up leaving a gap of nothing. And this color is really perfect for adding a little bit of that shadow. So this is what we are looking like. I like where we're heading. I really like the way that this turned out. So I'm going to take a denser brush, and I'm going to take let's start off with Scaro, this last shade here. And I'm just going to take that and place it into the outer corner. And again, we're just building our gradients. We're not going to, you know, make this the focal point. And I'm actually going to bring this into the entire lid just to kind of make everything else blend nicer. Now I'm going to go into Cocoa, which is this beautiful brown shade. And again, using the same brush, I am just going to take that and apply it to the outer corner. This is looking a little patchy, so I'm going to just build by pressing. It starts to look patchy when I blend. So with this shade, you really want to make sure to pat. And guys, this palette is still on sale at Sephora. And let me tell you, I love this palette. It's just such a great palette, and I want to say it's like on sale for $64. It's good. It's a good palette, and I think that if it's one that you're kind of intrigued by, get it. It's a great like year-round palette because you can use it in the summertime, you could use it, you know, winter, fall, whatever. Okay, I'm going to take Limoncello, which is this shade here, and I'm going to use that with my finger. I think I might have to use this wet. So I'm going to take a flat brush, wet it with my Evian water. Oops. Go back into that color. I've only ever used this color in the inner corner, and honestly I would say that this is the only dud in this palette, and it's not even like a complete waste, but it's not even like a complete dud. It's just not a color that, it's not as pigmented or as, it's just not as amazing as some of her other shimmer shades, and it just looks chalky to me. Maybe on a fairer skin tone it might look prettier, but on me it's just meh. It's all right. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little sad because I really wanted it to be like amazing, and it's just an okay look. We'll live. All right guys, so I don't like the way that this is looking, and I need to save the look. So I'm gonna take a little bit of glitter glue, and I am going to place that over this limoncello color. I think it would be a great brow highlighter. I think it would be a great inner corner highlighter. I don't think it is equipped to be the star of the show. So I'm going to take this loose pigment by Artist Couture in Golden Hour, and I'm just going to press that onto the lid. Also, some of you may have noticed that I have on liner, and I just used my Melt Cosmetics Spliff liner. And I'm gonna have to touch it up because I'm going over the liner with some of this loose glitter or diamond powder. I think he calls them diamond dust, something like that. Yeah, this just wasn't enough. Again, I've used this as an inner corner highlight and I love the way it looks, but I didn't like the way it was looking with this eye look. So I'm just gonna go back into my liner and then go over areas where the glitter fell or is covering the liner. Now going back into Cocoa, which was that dark brown, I'm just going to connect this wing and this crease color just to make it more cohesive, and then press on the outer corner just to make sure that we have pigmentation. I'm going to take my Fenty powder and just clean up under the eyes, and then I'm going to add a little bit more coverage to the center of my face. This look, the way it turned out, I can live with. The mess that was happening before, no. So I'm going to go into this Hourglass palette, and I'm going to take the 3 bottom shades and then just mix them together. And I don't know if you guys saw, guys, but Hourglass came out with a palette that looks just like this bottom row, but it's meant for deeper complexions. Kudos to you, Hourglass. Kudos to you. I'm going to take the bronzer in the same palette, and I'm just going to dust that all over my face. I'm going to use this Cover FX Spice Cinnamon blush, and I'm just going to use the matte shade. I'm going to mix a little bit of the shimmer into my blush, keeping it higher and then bringing it back. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I feel like the lip is falling short for me, so I'm gonna give you guys another option. What I have on my lips though is At Dusk by Hourglass, which is part of their holiday collection, and it's pretty. I like it. I just don't like it. It's not that I don't like it with the look, it's just I feel like I need something different, a little bit more glossy. I don't know. Let me play and I'll come back. Alright guys, so on my lips I have the Makeup Forever Up and Down Tan Pencil, and then I went in with this lipstick, which was part of the MAC and Mariah Carey collection. I don't recall the name. Is it on? I can't read that. And then now I'm gonna go in with a gloss. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I really love the way that this came together. It wasn't exactly what I had envisioned, but to be honest with you guys, the way that this inner color looks is what I was hoping limoncello would be. At the end of the day, it came together, and as you guys saw, sometimes our vision isn't necessarily going to be executed the same way that it looks in our head. You just have to play with your vision until it's at a point where it feels comfortable to you, and this is it for me. Let me know down below if you preferred the berry lip or this nude lip. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I upload 3 videos a week, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much. Also, if you do recreate any of my looks, please be sure to tag me on Instagram. My handle is all down below, and thank you guys so much.